In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checklists to cards for task steps in Trello. This is a fantastic way to organize your tasks, stay on top of your to-do lists, and ensure everything is on track for project management. You'll find this feature particularly useful when you have multiple subtasks within a larger project and you want to keep tabs on your progress without overwhelming your space with too many cards. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your project board. You can do this by logging into Trello and selecting the board that contains the card you're working on. This board is essentially your workspace where all your cards or task holders are displayed. Think of it as your digital whiteboard, filled with all the sticky notes you need to keep your projects running smoothly. When you're there, locate the card you're focusing on and click on it. You'll see a detailed card view pop up. Once you have the card open, look for the option that says Checklist. Usually you'll find this option on the right-hand side of the card detail screen. Clicking on Checklist will allow you to begin organizing your tasks into manageable pieces. Next up, you'll need to type a title for your checklist. This title serves as a header for your list and should give insight into what the checklist covers, whether it's upcoming deadlines, daily tasks, or anything specific to your project needs. It's best to keep it concise yet descriptive enough that you can recognize it at a glance. After you have your title set, go ahead and click on Add. This action will officially add the checklist to your card, giving you a new panel that you can work with. It's a good idea to take a moment to visualize how this checklist will help you streamline your process and make your workflow more efficient. With the checklist created, it's time to populate it with items. Consider breaking down the larger task into smaller, bite-sized tasks that are easier to manage and track. Click on Add Checklist Items to begin jotting